Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. There is significant cryptocurrency market news to discuss at the moment. Mark Cuban is now discussing cryptocurrency, it seems. We'll be discussing why he has such faith in crypto's future and why huge things are happening in El Salvador. We'll also discuss the recent attack on Coinbase and how it might affect you if you use the cryptocurrency exchange. After that, we'll go over the latest macro updates from Nance and cover a wide range of other topics, including a unique cryptocurrency that's doing well in the market right now. As always, not financial advice, but let's jump right into this video. I want to give it some recognition at the end of this movie, so make sure to stick around until the finish of the film. So, today, Mark Cuban is the first thing you need to know about the cryptocurrency business. He's worth $1 billion or more. Furthermore, he claims right here that crypto accomplishes several things better than conventional finance. This is highly bullish news for the long-term price of cryptocurrencies, and he explains why. Now, please hear me out. That's what he claims right now. Let's move on to the topic of conventional loans. To begin, all that is required for crypto lending is trust and a system in place. Banking institutions have elaborate management and security systems in place to prevent fraud, theft, and other forms of financial wrongdoing. Those extra steps not only increase costs and delay, but also cut off access for many people who could benefit. The risks associated with hacking smart contracts, which are available to anybody in the crypto community and have clear, rule-based protocols, decrease as time goes on. I have to say that Mark Cuban is right on the money with this one. Additionally, the crypto ecosystem has an additional layer of security thanks to the many items that may be tied to smart contracts. Regulation and regulations for the handling and storage of funds do not, he says right here, alter any of this. The benefits of financial smart contracts in terms of lending and financing will be bolstered by the combination of the two. Once again, consumers may be safeguarded and enjoy the benefits of the technology with the help of clear and consistent legislation. You need to put it into practice to fully get it, he says. Try out a smart contract or even ChatGPT. To sum up a few key points for you. Everything is open and obvious, yet it would be dishonest to dismiss it without some familiarity with its capabilities and limitations. So, I have to mention that well-known billionaire Mark Cuban is still very optimistic about the future of cryptocurrency and the roles it could play in society. And that's why I'm confident in crypto's long-term viability. So, that's a fairly bullish conclusion to draw from Mark Cuban's comments. Also, if you're doing any kind of trading in the United States right now, you need to be aware of the major hacks and exploits involving Coinbase. They've made a lot of progress, too. They're really high-tech at that point. So, let's dissect how some of these currently function in detail. If you use Coinbase, you should read this tweet from Jacob Canfield. I just got assaulted with one of the most complicated frauds in crypto that I've seen to date. Just 15 minutes ago, there was a security breach of some kind affecting all Coinbase users. My Coinbase two-factor authentication, FA, was first notified by text message. After that, I got 3 calls from Coinbase help desk. That call came from San Francisco and inquired as to whether or not I was now abroad. What if I wanted to switch both my email and my Facebook account? A trip was declined by me. And they texted me to confirm that they had canceled my request to change my 2FA and email address. To prevent a suspension of my account for 48 hours, they directed me to the security department for verification. They had my name, email, and location and sent me an email with a verification code from help@coinbase.com. This is a good place to pause, as what you just said is really advanced. So, they found a way to make use of COINBASE.com to their advantage. COINBASE.com has been used to send emails. You can safely assume that any communication you receive from Binance.com or COINBASE.com is genuine. However, these cybercriminals progress to the next step, displaying sufficient sophistication to compromise the help@coinbase.com email address. That's a scary development to keep an eye out for right now. And exactly here he says, I informed them I didn't need their help and I already changed the password. He then informed me that they would be locking my account for 7 days because I had not been able to verify it. Unless you get the code from me. After I told him I couldn't give him the code, he became irate and abruptly hung up on me. What you need to know right now is that this code is actually the guy's two-factor authentication, FA, code. This person had two-factor authentication codes, and hackers were attempting to get them. So, while he was on the phone, they could wipe out all of his Coinbase funds. This means that the level of fraud in the cryptocurrency industry is quite terrifying. Because it's unsettling to see COINBASE.com up and running. Somehow, they've used that to their advantage. If you receive an email purporting to be from COINBASE.com and asking for your 2FA codes, beware, hackers and scammers are likely attempting to steal all of your cryptocurrency. Be wary of that. That right there is cutting-edge sophistication. Now for some upbeat news, El Salvador plans to construct a $1 billion Bitcoin mining farm powered entirely by renewable energy sources. And this is a long-term positive indicator for cryptos. Therefore, it will be very bullish for the cryptocurrency industry if we see increasing Bitcoin adoption, especially on a country level, like El Salvador, and if they invest into Bitcoin mining. And Nance Coinbase has some intriguing insights to share. According to the data that has been made public online, Gemini claims that employees at those companies are the unhappiest. This quadrant chart was compiled using data posted on the Glassdoor platform and was provided by a recruitment agency called TrueUp. It's important to keep in mind that the information on Glassdoor is submitted voluntarily. Nevertheless, is it thoroughly vetted? I believe that some users may even pretend to be employed by organizations. So, we'll take that with a grain of salt, but what it says here is that there are evidently some depressed workers out there, and they might be at Gemini, Bill Pandora, MoonPay, our Binance, and Coinbase. It's over there on the left, if you look closely. Even more dismayed workers work in Celsius. As you all know, Celsius is in serious problems, and the company is not growing. Workers are unhappy at the moment. Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange, reportedly has happy staff, though. So, it looks like Kraken is on the upswing right now. The Avalanche Research Laboratory is up there on the right. Perhaps the XRP wave is also reflected in rapid expansion and contented staff members. So, too, is trying to find something. Those searching personnel appear to be in a great mood. Still, that's intriguing data, and you guys already know where to find it thanks to Nance Coinbase. Many of these companies, Gemini, have been the target of baseless SEC charges, in my opinion. Whether or if these accusations prove true remains to be seen. However, you all are aware that Wall Street is making a major push into the cryptocurrency market. Nance Coinbase and Gemini are just two examples of the cryptocurrency market incumbents who have been targeted recently. In addition, I have some thoughts on the latest macroeconomic news. As you can see, the stock market saw a minor sell down on Friday. This can have an impact on the cryptocurrency market as traders are still wary of possible rate increases. Okay. As a result, additional rate increases are possible. The economy is heavily indebted. And if such rate hikes persist, some businesses would fail and some borrowers might stop making payments. And that's why, macro FUD scared the stock market a little bit. Cryptocurrency may be the next big thing, according to billionaire investor Mark Cuban. This is why I want to stay in the cryptocurrency industry for the foreseeable future. How are current crypto prices looking if we take a look? So far today has been a bit of a roller coaster, with certain cryptocurrencies rising while others falling. If we take a look at the crypto bubble, we can see that Bitcoin has remained reasonably stable over the past 24 hours, while many cryptos are slightly higher. The rise of 8.8% for Solana, there's 1.1% more Shiba than before. While Pepe is doing well, you should also keep an eye on the next iteration of these meme currencies. That makes 2 peeps and 2 ships I've seen floating about. However, I am diversifying my holdings in the crypto market while remaining committed to the original. So, I'm looking for opportunities to make money in the cryptocurrency market, no matter where they may be. Where is the original Luna now, by the way? A 2.9% increase for the Luna Classic. If I were to call out one cryptocurrency in the crypto market right now, which one would it be? I did tweet about it earlier today, and it will involve a Bone Shiba switch, as you can see above. In the past day, trading in Bone Shiba has increased by 18.5%. Many people, including Crypto70, are big admirers of the Bone Shiba swap. The very same Twitter. That being said, thank you for that tweet, Crypto70. You should also do a barium Bone Shiba swap, as I hear there are many devoted fans waiting for you here. The ship's environment is undergoing some fascinating changes. In my opinion, people need to give it some long-term thought. Now, that's some serious crypto news for you guys. You can find some cute coin connections there if you want to help fund the channel. Sign up and participate in major trading activities on KuCoin and Mexi, and you can receive bonuses worth up to $3,200 US. So, Mexi has massive giveaways and perhaps abundant bonuses. So, if you want to help the channel out, click on the links there. They're extremely interesting, and you can find out more about the channel and what we're doing right now on CryptoZeus. You may rest assured that we're keeping tabs on the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. What you need to know about the cryptocurrency market, including the occasional foray into high reward, high risk meme coins and other new cryptos. Check out those videos and give Mark Cuban a shout out for being optimistic on the cryptocurrency market at the moment if you're interested in making some money in the crypto space. But, major update, appreciate you sticking around. Just go have a wonderful time. See you later, bye.